going to Pancake House? Omelet House. It's called Omelet House Mall. But that's where we're gonna eat. I didn't record my getting ready because I was running late, but yeah. There we go. This is the outfit.
The exact same thing? Got it?
Okay guys, look at this one. Ew. Did you see the price of it though? Like what? That's so weird.
I'll be right back with the
Looks yummy. They kind of look the same, but they're not. Creo.
Yeah.
And she's missing her whipped cream. But look, yummy. Ooh. Gravy.
Next time, you guys right here. And then I got the whipped cream right here, okay?
Bacon. Potato chips. But they're like really good. Like, I love anything potato. Anyways, bye. I didn't finish. That's how I'm gonna leave it because I'm full. But it was good. Hey, hey, hey. I know. We're done eating. Let me get that good lighting. Now we're in the car. And we're going to our destination. I'll tell you guys when I get there. I'll show you guys when I get there. But yeah. Tell me why. Tell me why. My uncle sent himself to the back. I can't. So we are at the Hoover Dam, and yeah, lighting sucks. I'll show you guys. So pretty, super pretty. Look at that. Stuck in the middle.
Allá frío y acá caliente.
Hot over here, cold over here. That is so dope. Now we're in Arizona. Like what? What if I just get on? It is so pretty. That's where the water level was. Now it's really low. So, yeah. Are you tired?
Horrible. I'm too old for this job.
Let's go. We got this. No, you gotta believe in yourself. I'm just kidding. This is YouTube positivity. I'm done. I did it though, but look. Guys, I tell you I'm tired. I was the one who told them not to take the elevator. But I'm totally shook. We made it. It's tired. We gotta keep going up. I want to do my hair because it's always messy anyway, so. I need some water. And my ears hurt.
Why do you have to do your own this?
What?
¿Cómo que todavía no oído?
Because of the mountains.
We're not in the county.
Ew, look, guys, look. You guys want some gum? Guys, I was done with the stairs and they really want to take the shortcut. You know, the stairs instead of the ramp. The stairs. Oh, hell no. If you're scared of heights, you don't go here. AKA my uncle. But look, guys, I'll show you guys in a second. But look how pretty it looks over there. Oh no. I'm not getting close to that again. It's scary. Guys, there's $5 water. Like, what? You know, I got the $5 water because it's metal and it's freaking cold.
But like, do you actually?
Eddie, send me the picture.
Is your water good? Rated
Yes.
from 1 to 10.
Harry Potter is a ton.
A 10. Now you record me taking my sip of water sideways. Oh, so cool. ASMR.
Just drink the water. Ay, me estoy cagando.
Stop.
It's good, the water? It's good.
For $5, no.
It is. It's freshy. You want your own bottle? So you can feel,
This is good water.
It's heaven. $5 water. Agua. It's just water.
That is something.
Shopping time. I'm obsessed with this store. Like, this screams so freaking pretty. Like, everything's absolutely gorgeous. Everything. 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 Look at that. Ugh. But I'm hungry already. We're finally done shopping because I'm starving. Show your bag. Period. Bag secured. I only got 2 things though.
Are you kidding me, Mom?
She keeps seeing stores she wants to go in. Here everyone's super tired, but we're gonna eat some food. Hispanic food. Caribbean food. I don't know if I'm messy today because it's been a long day. Too much walking. This is what I got today. Yummy. Finally back at the hotel. I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna get comfortable and I'm extremely more tired than I was yesterday. I only got some shoes and some. Yeah, I'm 20. Shut up, I'm not old. But yeah. Good night, people. Goodbye.